Hi, hello. Firstly, thank you to all the members who are supporting my channel. And same as well, wish you happy Pongal to all of them. Okay. So in the last video, we discussed how to draw walls in the plan. Now we are going to implement the next steps, that is doors, windows, and ventilator. In the same as well, the furniture part. So here we have a plan, and same as well our Autocad plan what we did in the last video. Now I want to show you how to create the openings for doors. Okay, firstly this is our first step. So for that, here we have some of the doors. So firstly I want to create door openings to all the rooms. So here we have the two different ways to create the openings. So first I will show you one part. After that I will show you one another one. So one thing is by using the lines. Here I am taking off more of 3 inches because to fix the doors at this portion. And same as well I am taking the copy of 3 feet. Fine. After this we go with trim. So this is the one process to create the opening in the wall. And the second process is we directly draw the rectangle. Okay, see here I am going with rectangle. So horizontally I am specifying of 3 feet and vertically I am giving 4.6 inches. Here we get a doubt. How can we specify exact 3 feet? Because it is a default dimension. And same as well in our plan they show the door 1, door 2, door 3 and same as well here they specify the main door. Okay, so almost for all of them we have the 3 feet. It is default. If they specify separately, the door 1 have separate dimension, door 2 have separate dimensions, means we just go through the dimensions. But here we don't have the dimension, right? So for that I am considering the door 1 and main door as 3 feet and door 2 is 2 feet 6 inches because it's a toilet door. Okay, so for that, first here we are creating openings. I'm going with rectangle firstly and same as well I'm adding the here also. Okay, so these of all my rectangles. Okay, I want to rotate this from here to here. Next I want to move these doors towards 3 inches. If you want to do it separately also you can do more. Okay, and here also I want to move it 3 inches. As I told you, the toilet door is 2 feet 6 inches, but here we specify the 3 feet. So here I am decreasing of 6 inches. So now we have the 3 feet, sorry 2 feet 6 inches. Now go with trim. So before that we have to draw the one more rectangle for puja room. So in puja room they won't specify these dimensions. Compared to remaining doors, it is too small. Okay, so for that what I am doing, I just choosing the least dimension door. I am taking the copy of this and placing in the puja room. Okay, just go with trim in every portion. Simple and easy to do. If you want to trim previously, means when we drop a rectangle, then in that case also you can proceed. So which one is flexible and simple to you, follow that process only now. Okay, now I want to draw the doors. So for doors also we have the two different ways to select and place it. So one thing we directly go with ADC what we know already previously, and second thing we have to create our own. So first I want to show you how to create the door. So here I'm taking the 2 inches of thickness and height is 3 feet. Now here I'm drawing a line of 3 feet. Again here I'm selecting the arc, start and direction. Start, end. This is my direction. So this is my one type of door. And same as well here we have the control 3 not ADC. So control 3 I'm going with. So here we have the default door. I'm going with this only. Okay. So here I'm taking the copy of this. I'm placing in every room. And one more thing, we have to place it at the center of the wall, not in the edge or inner portion of the wall. Okay, at the center of the wall we have to place it. After placing, we will adjust this. Okay, so here we want the 90 degrees and same as well we want to rotate it. One second. So I want to rotate it from here to here. Next, select this one, adjust it. Okay, this is the one of the process. And next, here we have the one more door, 90 degrees. And next, here one more, the same process I am repeating. Nothing will be there in this. Clear? And here I want to rotate this. So from here to here. Okay. I am giving 90 degrees opening. And next, here for puja room also, they specify double door. So here we don't have that minor door, right? So for that, what I'm doing, I'm just drawing a line here from here to here. And same as well, I'm going with one X line for my clarification. Okay. So I'm selecting one door and taking a copy of this from here to here. And go with scale because here we don't know the exact dimension for this one. Okay. Now I'm deleting these two lines. So I don't want these two doors also. I'm giving MI. So we already know how to do the mirror. And I'm moving these two doors for perfect fixing. So this is our doors. In the same process, we have to implement the windows. And once if we check in the plan, for windows, they specify W, W1, W2 and same as well W, sorry not W, KW, means kitchen window. So compared to the doors, the windows have more variation. Okay, this is the first largest one and second, third, fourth. This is our ventilation. So for that, I want to create the more separated windows. So first, I'm going with largest one, 4 feet. And we always fix it in outer walls only. 99% all windows will be there in, not will, should be there in the outer walls. So for that, I'm choosing outer wall thickness only here. I'm going with offset of 4.5 inches. Sorry, I'm going with only 4 inches. So first I want to explore this offset of 4 inches from here to here. So this is my W1. So what I am doing here, so this is the first largest one, right? I just go with 4 feet. And this is 3 feet 6 inches. This is 3 feet. And this is 2 feet 6 inches. So like that, I'm showing the variation from window to window. So this is my first one. I'm taking the copy of this. So 1, 2, and 3. I have the 4 windows. So first one is fine, and I want to move it the second window as 6 inches, and the third is 1 feet, and the fourth one is 1 feet 6 inches. I think you can understand why I'm moving one is 6 inches, another one is 1 feet, because this is the 4 feet. So my second window is 3 feet 6 inches. So for that only, here we have totally 4 feet, right? I'm decreasing 6 inches in this, because 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So I'm giving half, and next one and a half. Okay, I'm trimming this unwanted portions, then we get a clarity. Okay, next I'm giving copy of group. Sorry, I'm giving a command of group. Why I'm going with group means, here we just have the single doors. If we have the repeated windows, then we go with the block. But here we don't have the repeated windows. We just have only 4. So for that I'm directly go with group. So here I'm selecting the window. So once I want to cross check, one this major one will be there in the living room. So why I'm keeping here means, in the plan they won't place at the center, because here we have the main door now, which is near to window. So for that purpose only I just place aside, not at the center of the living room. And next here we have the W2, means first here we have to place W1, means our second window we have to place in the W1 portion, that is bedroom. So I'm moving from here to, so from here to at the center here I'm placing one. Okay, if you want to move it somewhat towards left or right, you can, because they won't specify the exact dimension for this. Okay, and W2 here we have, I'm going with more the same process at the center of this, and W4, that is kitchen window, I'm rotating this, moving from here to kitchen portion. So this one also I'm not placing at the center. Okay, if you want to place it at the center, means you can, means when we are placing the window, we can simply just see how, what is the distance from here to here. Here we have more distance compared to this one, because uh, means here it is not in the center, then we can simply know, right? And if you go with ventilator, it almost at the center. If you go with this room also, it almost at the center. If you go with this living, here we have the more distance compared to this, so it is not at the center. So like that, a simple one we have to understand. And next we have to create a ventilator. So for ventilator I'm drawing a rectangle. Firstly, I'm giving 6 feet. Sorry. Here I am drawing 1 feet 6 inches. Just I want to measure it from here to here. Yes, exactly I have. Again, I'm going with explode offset of 4.5 inches because this is our ventilator symbol. I'm going with a group. Now I want to place it at my exact portion. Now I will show you how to place the furniture based on the ADC command and same as well how to specify the text. I will show you for single room. You can go with remaining rooms. Okay? The same process you go through it. Fine. So I'm going with ADC. Here we have the bed. I'm choosing directly. We already know this. So I'm moving this from here to my room. And same as well I want to rotate it. Okay. So I want to adjust to my room. So here is my door and my furniture both are getting clumsy. Okay. So for this what I am doing, I just use a command that is a scale. Okay. So for my single room here I just have only the bed part. Now I am going to add this text. So I directly go with text here. So here it's showing some height. So I want to choose 9 inches. I'm giving W2. Okay, I'm taking copy of this for door and same as well room. So here this is door. I'm going with the caps door. So here also I want to specify W. Okay, W2. Next here I want to specify room 1. So I want to increase this for getting single line. So what is our dimension? Here we have 9 feet 4 inches. 9 feet 4 inches by 8 feet 7 inches. So this is our room dimension. So I want to decrease somewhat of this because so in my room text is highlighting, right? So for that I'm adjusting all of them similarly. Okay. So this is our plan and how to place the doors, windows, ventilator, furniture and text by step by step. So for this, just go through with this. If you have any doubts, whatever it will be, drop a message in the comment section. I will clear it to you. In the next video, I will show you how to draw the irregular plan and I will implement all of them in single video. Means walls, doors, windows and everything. Okay. So do subscribe the channel and support it if you like this, and if you like this video just prefer to your friends. Okay, thank you and bye bye.